Welcome to Design Space, the free and easy-to-learn app that connects to every Cricut cutting machine. It's where you can discover, design, and make incredible things. Find inspiration on the homepage, or search the design library. There's something for any and every occasion. Use something of ours, or upload your own image. When you've found what you're looking for, head to Canvas. It's where you can personalize, customize, and make it just right, all in one place. Then, use your machine to make it come to life and share it with our community of makers who support and celebrate creativity every day. Design Space also has free education resources, like on-demand classes led by Cricut pros.
Now it's time for the fun part. Let's get making.
And interactive lessons where we'll guide you through, step by step, how to make a project. To take your making to the next level, try Cricut Access. It's our paid subscription used by millions of our members to enhance their Design Space experience. Unlock exclusive content, projects, and images designed by artists around the world, plus even more fonts and design tools. With Cricut Access, it's all yours for the making. From inspiration to creation, Design Space is the all-in-one app that helps you bring your most creative visions to life. Download the app and see what's possible.